So I'm going to show you how to connect your Sony Smart TV to your phone's mobile hotspot. So if you're having trouble connecting to internet or your Wi-Fi currently has issues, you can actually connect to your mobile hotspot and use your mobile data on the TV. So whatever phone you're using, just go to the hotspot settings. For me, I'm using an iPhone, so I'll just go to my iPhone hotspot settings. Take note of the hotspot password. And of course, the Wi-Fi name is going to be the name of my phone. Okay. So once I take note of the password, all I have to do now is go to settings on the Sony Smart TV, which is running Google TV. And then under settings, go to network and internet. Select that. And then find your your hotspot. So you can see mine is that iPhone. So I'll select it and then I'll type in my password. And then I can go to the bottom right corner and click on that check mark. And then it should connect to my iPhone. There you go. It says connected successfully and I'm ready to use that as my source of internet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and good luck.